Hi crew, welcome to another product spotlight, this time on the Scheduler web app. Perfect for teams trying to communicate timelines with staff and athletes, and also checking for any scheduling conflicts. Off the bat here, there are a few viewing settings you can set up. First of all, you can create and manage custom calendars. So you can give an event calendar a color and invite events straight into that calendar, and they'll show up on this dashboard with the appropriate color just to help sort of visually filter stuff out. You can also select the year you want to view, flick through months. Also across here you can select the time frame you're viewing, whether you're doing a month, week or day view. You can also use this filter up here to search for specific events within the view you've just specified. Or you can go over here to schedule and specify what schedule you want to look at in the calendar. For example, you might want to analyze a specific athlete or staff member's schedule over time. You might also want to see a specific team. To create an event, you either click on the day you're interested in or click on the new event button in the top right. Both will do the job. Give the event a name, such as training. You can specify a location, such as, we'll go Sydney Olympic Park. Here's where you specify what calendar you're putting the event into. You can specify if an event is recurring or an all-day event. Obviously you can set what type of recurrence pattern you're after as well. And here we've got the parameters around start date, end date and time, things like that. You can also select what time zone you're scheduling the event for. So as example, I'm here based in Adelaide, but I'm creating this event at Sydney Olympic Park. So I might want to specify that I'm creating this event in Sydney's time zone to help me with scheduling. So I can specify that right here. Some other settings we've got here. I can specify other event admins. So what that means is maybe I've created this event, but I'm not attending, and I might want to give another staff member the ability to change the details of the event, so I can select them there. Can also specify the attendees of the event, or which can be select users or a group. Can add description to the event, attachments, any links, things like that. We've also got reminder notifications here. So for example, you have this event coming up in 30 minutes, 3 hours, anything you specify. And then we also have this option here to send alert notification to attendees. So what this means is if I save this event, training, everyone that's on the attendees list will get a mobile, Arc mobile application alert saying, hey, you've been invited to this event. Do you plan on attending? Yes, no, maybe. It will also send alerts when details of the event have changed. For example, like it was planned for 3 p.m, but now we're changing it to 2 p.m. So attendees will get the alert saying, hey, training's now changed. We'll just close that. We also have some reporting elements. So once an event's created, you can go inside of it and click roll sheet. And so what this is here is giving the staff members the ability, so say it is post-training, to go along and mark attendance on who actually has attended the event. This will also come pre-filled if athletes or staff have specified whether they plan on attending the event or not. It will just come with a grayed out tick rather than a solid tick. And the idea here is post-training, you can just go along and mark attendance like so. This also then populates our event attendance report, which we'll go through in a different video. Some other details we have here is you can also view participants of an event and update the event or a specific series as well. And that's all for today's video. Thanks.